Welcome to KonnecttzIT tutorials. In this video, we are going to explore how Shopify, Google Sheets and Discord can be integrated. Now the task is how to sync Shopify orders data into Google Sheets and notify your team on Discord channel. Right now, I am in KonnecttzIT dashboard page. Before going to workflow, we need to authorize the applications. To authorize applications, navigate to apps page. Now search for Shopify. Just click on that application. Click on Add Account. To authorize Shopify, we need API access tone and subdomain. These are available in Shopify account. Go to your Shopify account and here we need to click on Settings. And now search for Apps and Sales channel. Just click on that. And here you need to click on Develop Apps. Now you need to create the application. That is, create an app. Give the app name and click on Create App. Now click on Configure Admin API Scopes. Now add the scopes based on your use case. So for this use case, we need the customer data and product details. Customers and discounts, then draft orders, and then orders, and then products, shipping, yeah, this is enough. Now you need to select the webbook subscription, that is event version. You need to select the latest version. Next you need to click on Save. Next click on Install app. Click on Install. Reveal token and then copy the token and come back to KonnecttzIT account. Now paste here. And to get subdomain, again go back to our Shopify account. Before my Shopify, whatever is there, that is your subdomain. Just copy that. That is rank 944. Copy and come back to KonnecttzIT. Paste. Then click on Yes, continue. So this is how we need to authorize Shopify. Next, search for Google Sheets. Just click on that application. Click on Add Account. It is an auth-based authorization. So here we need to select the particular account. And here you need to give the permission. So click on Continue. This is how we need to authorize Google Sheets. Now search for Discord and click on that application. Click on Add Account. To authorize Discord account, we need the webbook URL. To get that, go to our Discord account. So I have already created the channel. Just click on Edit Channel. Go to Integrations and then click on Create Webbook. Click on New Webbook. Just explore the webbook and give the name. Give the webbook name. And then copy the webbook URL and come back to KonnecttzIT. Now paste the URL here. Then click on Yes, continue. So this is how we need to authorize Discord. After authorized process is completed, just click on Create Konnectz. It takes to the visual builder. Here we need to build the workflow. First give the workflow name, that is Shopify, Google Sheets and Discord. And now search for Shopify. To place the order, just drag and drop Shopify. So it's our trigger. Copy the webbook URL and come back to your Shopify account. Just click on settings, select notifications. Under that, at last, under webbooks, click on create webbook. For this use case, we use order creation. Just select that and format will be JSON itself and paste the URL that is copied from KonnectZit. For webbook API version, choose the latest version and then click on save. And now come back to KonnectZit account. Then click on capture webbook response and come back to your Shopify account. Then click on send test notification. So go back to a KonnectZit account and check whether the data is captured or not. It will capture the sample data from Shopify. As it captures the data, just explore the data. So we need customer data and product details. In last, we get the customer detail. Just explore the details. Now, search for Google Sheets to store the data. Just drag and drop Google Sheets. Select your particular account and choose the action, that is create spreadsheet row, and choose the spreadsheet. So this is my spreadsheet, that is Shopify orders list. Here I have already created the columns with name, product ID and price, email and phone number. And now select that Shopify order list, choose the sheet and now map the fields from Shopify to Google Sheets. We need the name, just join the field from Shopify to Google Sheet, and the product ID, then price, email address, then price, and then hit on test and review. Is the data sent to Google Sheets? Go to a respective sheet. The data is also captured here. And now again go to a KonnectZit and now search for text formatter. To compose a message, we need text formatter. Just drag and drop text formatter. In define option, select merge text and now map the fields from Shopify to text formatter. We need customer details and product details. Just map the fields from Shopify, the product ID and email address, then customer name and then contact number. And now compose a message. Then hit on validate. Is the data sent to text formatter? Now select Discord to send a message. Drag and drop Discord. Select your particular account and choose the action. Choose the action, that is send channel message with markdown. And for choose configuration, choose text speech. Choose text to speech, that is true. And now map the field from text formatter to Discord, that is form message field. Now join the field. Now hit on test and review. Go to a Discord account and a particular channel, that is Shopify orders. Under that, we got a message. So this is how we need to integrate Shopify, Google Sheets, and Discord. Go to your KonnectZIT account and then you need to hit on publish. So this sends you a integration process to double check whether the workflow is working properly or not. Go to your Shopify account again and again you need to hit on send test notification. Go to your Google Sheets. Yes, the data is also captured again. And again go to your Discord account. Yes, we received a message. So this is how we need to integrate the Shopify, Google Sheets and Discord. Thanks for watching the video.